हाय एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल क्रिएटिव स्पेस। आज का जो व्लॉग है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा स्पेशल है अगेन बिकॉज वी हैव विद अस विद अ वेरी एक्सपीरियंस डॉक्टर। शी इज अ डेंटिस्ट एंड हम डेंटिस्ट के बारे में, दांतों के बारे में बहुत सारा नॉलेज उनसे आज गेन करने वाले हैं। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, डॉक्टर शिल्पा, विल यू प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ?
Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Shilpa Sapri Godbole. I have been running my private practice for the last 17 years, and I've been practicing since last 22 years. My practice and my journey has been right from what I practice in my clinic is right from root canals to extractions, and now we have specialized in implants as well. I like to spread dental awareness because I feel that we are a bit ignorant about our dental health. And till we really have good pain, nobody visits a dentist here.
या आई थिंक दैट्स रियली ट्रू। सच बात कही है आपने। और इसी के लिए ये अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करने के लिए मेरे चैनल का मोटो है कि मैं लोगों तक ऐसी चीजें पहुंचाऊं, यू नो, एंड मेक देम अवेयर आउट सो मेनी थिंग्स जो एक रॉन्ग नोशन या वो लोग सिर्फ गूगल करके चीजें जानते हैं। सो थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग आउट योर टाइम, डॉक्टर शिल्पा। इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट। एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द क्वेश्चंस।
Sure.
ओके, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि एक नॉर्मल ओरल हाइजीन रेजिमेंट क्या होना चाहिए?
See, Neha, basically, we have been learning about oral regimen right from our childhood. Okay. We are taught about it even in books. Brush twice a day. When a child tells you, right? Only thing is we don't follow.
Yeah.
Okay. So brushing twice a day and swishing your mouth after you eat everything is the simplest regime that you need to follow.
Yeah.
Okay. And brushing with a fluoridated toothpaste is what I would add to it.
Okay.
A toothpaste which contains fluoride. Okay. And most important is brushing at night.
Okay.
Now in the daytime, we speak, we eat, we drink. Okay. Your tongue is also moving. So these all things add as a natural cleansing action. Okay. As you talk, also your tongue is moving. You keep your saliva keeps forming. So all these, there little bit of cleaning is taking place. But at night, everything is silent. Right. So that is the time where real decay or any dental problem is occurring. So brushing before going to bed is really, really very important. Okay. Swishing your mouth after you eat everything. And one more thing I would like to add is depending on your individual complaints, there are special equipments which are available, devices which are available, which your dentist would always advise you. You know what your chief complaints are. If you have got bone problems, if you have got gum problems, or if you have got decay problems, depending on the condition, that your dentist would always advise you to use them.
Okay. Doctor, you mentioned about fluoride toothpaste. So is there any particular number, like 1,000 something that you say fluoride toothpaste? So can you specify what should be the?
You said it, 1,000 ppm. 1,000 ppm. 1,000 ppm for an adult. For a child, it is 500 ppm.
Okay. Because I had heard about it, so I just want to confirm with you once.
Yeah.
Okay. And how often, doctor, should any person go for oral examination या cleanup? मतलब ऐसा क्या time होना चाहिए duration?
Very ideally 6 months. Okay. But अभी we all are so busy. हम कितने busy है ना? 6 months तो ऐसे निकल जाते हैं. तो ऐसे हो जाएगा कि जैसे अभी तो मिले थे वापस आ गए काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. सो पीपल हु हैव गॉट ग्रेव डेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स, यू नो, कि जो बार बार डेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स आते रहते हैं, उनके लिए मैं बोलूंगी चलो 6 महीने में आओ. जो ब्रशिंग रूटीन अच्छा फॉलो कर रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग इज गुड, नॉट मच ऑफ डेंटल, देन आई वुड जस्ट मॉडिफाई इट एंड से चलो वंस इन अ year come and visit a dentist. See, when it comes to dentistry, I'm telling you that this proverb, stitch in time saves 9.
Yes.
Okay. Is like really a golden one. Okay. So if you identify the problems at an early time, you know, to save not only the pain and agony, the trauma, but also your time and money.
Yes, that's true. That's very true. Yeah, that is the main thing actually. Yes. And doctor, my next question would be: are there any toothpaste or anything that you can suggest to keep the teeth whiter? I mean, cleaner and whiter. Is there anything
See,
like that?
white teeth is a myth. Okay.
Okay.
Nobody on this earth has snow white teeth. Okay.
Hmm.
If you understand how a tooth is, the tooth has layers. The outer layer is called as enamel. The inner layer is called dentine. The dentine by origin is a little yellow in color.
Okay.
Okay. So there are shades of dentine. Somebody would have a little darker dentine. So it will show a bit darker. So no one has snow white teeth. Okay. Nobody has snow white teeth. Now the process of having white teeth is known as bleaching. So bleach is a cosmetic process.
Correct.
Okay, understand this. Bleaching is cosmetic. The way you bleach your skin. Okay, so anything that is cosmetic is just beautification.
Correct.
It is not solving your issues, your problems. Correct. So basically, what I suggest to my patients is, okay, if you want to bleach your teeth, okay, if you have a high PR, okay, public relation,
yes.
Okay, please, it's okay. If you're a model, if you're into a field where you need, you have to make a portfolio, okay, fine. So there are models and all who come to my clinic, ki chalo, okay, I would suggest. Just if somebody just walks in, I want to bleach, I would suggest, why do you want to? It is like that. It is, you have good teeth, okay, and whitening. See, if you've got deposits, you can just clean your teeth and polish your teeth.
Okay.
That is enough. That will also give a nice glow to your teeth. Okay. So depending on why you need to bleach your teeth, if you're getting married, if there is something really important thing in your life, I would say, okay, get your teeth bleached.
Right.
Very well. But regular bleaching is not what I would suggest.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And bleaching is not permanent. Remember. Bleaching is not permanent. Your teeth are going to come back to its normal shape after a few months or years. Okay.
Okay. But the enamel that you said is the first layer. If it is on the stage of wear and tear, so is it, hazardous for the inner layer, or is it probable that the inner layer will decay more? Is it like that?
Your inner layer will become sensitive. Your dentine is a sensitive layer. So if you lose your enamel, your teeth are going to become sensitive. So bleaching, if you have got enamel loss, bleaching is a big no.
Oh, Dr. my next question would be, any suggestions in the diet, like, one should have tea, coffee, a particular amount for your teeth, because they say, you get coffee stains often and tea stains often. People say so.
Food stains. See, first of all, understand what is staining. Okay. Any surface which is very glossy, which is very smooth, will never attract stains. Okay. Any surface which is even microscopically rough will attract stains. Right. Okay. So food stains are common. So if you have your teeth are a bit rough, they will attract stains. So they could be tea, they could be coffee, they could be any food stains. Okay, they could be any food stains. They could be cakes, pastries, all of them have colors, right? So it could be any food stains. So you have to address the cause. You have to go for some good polishing of your teeth so that they don't attract more stains.
Okay. Good to know that. Then my next question would be, any self-observation that one should do of the teeth, like any self-observation?
Yeah, there are a few things that you can do. If you see some black staining of your teeth, first of all, so go and get it checked. Maybe they are not stains and they are the initial decay that has begun. Okay. Now, if there is some food lodgement, you see people picking with the food, maybe there is some issue there. These are small things. So if you've got bleeding gums, probably your gums are not healthy. There is good amount of tartar and deposits which are irritating your gums. So that could be the reason. So these are small things which you can observe. Okay. Sensitivity. Sensitivity is because of many things. So you could have enamel loss. There could be a cavity. You cannot identify it. So get yourself checked. Okay, why is this happening?
Hmm. Okay, and the next question for this would be, when should kids visit dentist the first time? How often? Because they have baby teeth and milk teeth. So some say 2 years, some say 3 years, 4 years. So when actually a kid should be made to visit a dentist?
See, once your baby has all milk teeth present,
Hmm.
I would suggest going to a dentist once. Apart from that, observe small things, as I said, black staining, which is present. Okay, black stains which are present. They could be the initial decay. Or if your baby has food lodgement, if you see he's picking his teeth again and again, or if you observe he's eating only on one side, if you find such observations, if there are discolorations anywhere, go and show it to a dentist. These are the observations. And after that, every year you can, as I said, once in a year you should visit a dentist and get your teeth checked.
Right. Okay. And any common concerns on wisdom tooth that you would like to address on the wisdom tooth? Sometimes you get, for me also this has happened, that I have wisdom tooth which is coming, which is halfway. Sometimes it pains, sometimes it doesn't. Just a slight throb, but I have not done anything about it. But there will be people with similar concerns. So would you like to address anything on this?
50% or more times, I feel this wisdom tooth comes to trouble you. Okay. So, yeah. So, like most of the times, we are also helpless if they are not positioned straight, if they are coming, they are tilted, if they are decayed, we have to remove them. And at times, removal is also not a simple removal. Okay. So one thing I would like to address is, if you've got tilted wisdom teeth, I think there comes a time where you have to remove it. And if the wisdom teeth are very posteriorly placed, what happens is we forget to brush that area. Our brush does not reach that hind part of our mouth, and therefore that causes decay. Okay. So when you identify that you have wisdom teeth, please go and take efforts to brush right to the last tooth so that you can keep it clean and avoid decay.
Okay. Sometimes because there is slight pain and then it goes the second day, next day. I don't know.
See, these are what happens is wisdom teeth, as I said, many a times are not straight. Okay, they are a bit tilted. So what happens? The path of eruption, the path of coming in the mouth is blocked. तो ऐसे केस में वो wisdom teeth आ ही नहीं सकता अपने आप से ना. इधर एक दांत खड़ा है, ये दांत इधर है, तो ये ऐसे मुड़ के तो नहीं आने वाला, ये तो ऐसे ही रहने वाला है. अभी this tooth is like this. Every time it tries to come out, it's going to give you pain. Right. Every time it tries कि अभी मुझे let me try, but that try is not going to help. It's going to stay there. Okay. Or if it gets decayed, there is one episode of pain which goes away after some time. So there are 2-3 episodes like that. But it is always better to go and get it identified. What is the cause?
Can you please shed light on dental implants?
Okay. Well, dental implants are the method of replacing teeth. है ना? अगर जैसे कुछ सालों पहले अगर you miss a tooth, okay, we used to put something called as bridges, where you cut two adjacent teeth, put caps on it, okay, and you put attached to these two caps, you used to have a tooth in the center, which is the missing tooth, if you can visualize it, okay. But now the latest way of replacing teeth is dental implants, which are nothing but titanium implants. People are scared about dental implants because उनको लगता है surgery होगा, drill होगा, ये होगा. But let me tell you, it is the most beautiful way of replacing teeth. Okay. And the teeth have to be replaced. This is the most important thing I would like to share here. क्या होता है ना, हम ऐसे सोचते हैं कि 32 दांत है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, एक गया, दो गया. We don't. But you understand one thing. See, God has given us everything in correct numbers. 2 eyes, but 1 nose. Okay, 2 ears, so 2 hands. So, but 5 fingers. So you understand, if he's given you certain number of teeth, every tooth has a function to perform. Okay, कोई भी चीज बिना मतलब की दी नहीं है इधर, भगवान ने हमें. तो teeth and your digestion starts in your mouth. So like if you are missing a tooth, okay, your chewing is going to be affected. If you're missing 2-3 teeth on one side, it is a natural habit that you're going to eat on the other side.
Yes.
Anything which is overused also is going to give you a problem. If you overuse your right side is going to give you a problem. So basically, replacing teeth are very important. Not replacing teeth can give you many problems. I can just list them. There are so many problems which are there if you don't replace a tooth. So dental implants are one of the most beautiful ways of replacing teeth. And now, like dental science has gone so ahead. Okay. Nearly, I think you've got ways and means and of replacing, and you've got multiple number of surgeries and bone grafts which are available and which can give you fixed dental prosthesis. I mean, to make fixed teeth.
Got it.
Okay, so I think dental implants is the most upcoming branch of dentistry, and please do not fear to get your dental implants. You know, people have a little bit of fear and inhibition. But no, I think it's a wonderful science, and there is not great amount of pain and agony which is involved in it.
Good. I wanted to ask you anything that I have missed out on, and any points of concern that commonly come to you, and you have to repeatedly tell your patients that, you know, take care of certain things, certain issues, certain points. So anything that you would like to address here?
Yeah, I would like to address a few things. Okay, first of all, what brush to use? Isn't this a very common question I get? What brush do we use? There are so many brushes in the market. Okay, so 2-3 points to remember. Any brush which is soft. You get brushes which are soft, medium, and hard. So any brush which is soft. First point. Okay. Second point, I would always prefer a brush with a small head.
Okay.
Okay. A small head. See, as I said, it has to go to the last portion of the tooth. Okay. So you should use a brush with a smaller head and which is soft.
Okay.
Brushing force. How do you identify that you're using the correct force of brushing? Brushing also have technique of brushing, right? So usually you should never brush horizontally. ऐसे brush नहीं करना है जो हम maximum करते हैं. इससे enamel loss होता है. Okay, your brush has to be tilted at an angle, and you have to brush very softly, back and forth, up and down. This should be the method of brushing. So back and forth, up and down. This should be at an angle. Okay, the brush should not be flat. It should not be like perpendicular to the surface of your tooth. It's going to cause enamel loss. Okay. Now, how do you identify कि हम कितना जोर लगा रहे हैं? कोई कितना बार आता है कि अरे मैं बहुत अच्छी तरह से ब्रश करता हूँ, फिर भी मुझे इतनी सेंसिटिविटी है. The problem is कि तुम बहुत ज्यादा ब्रश कर रहे हो. So जैसे प्रॉब्लम है वैसे ज्यादा भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, कोई बोलता है कि हार्ड ब्रश इस्तेमाल नहीं करता है ना तो मजा ही नहीं आता है, ब्रश की ऐसे लगता ही नहीं है. आई अग्री, बट वो हार्ड ब्रश अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है तो प्लीज मत इस्तेमाल करिए उनको. ओके, तो ब्रश इफ यू हैव सीन ऐसे फ्रे होता है ना, वो ब्रिसल्स दे जस्ट फ्रे आउट.
Right.
If you have observed,
yes,
right?
Yes.
So if within 1 month of your purchase, if these brushes getting frayed, you're using excessive force. Understand that. Okay. If it is taking 3-4 months, okay, you're using the brush fine. The force is also fine. Then the paste, as I said, fluoridated toothpaste. Yes. You have to also identify the kind of problems. See, rural dental problems are different. Urban dental problems are different. Okay. In cities, what we are eating is cakes, burgers, pizzas, pastas, biscuits. Okay. So we are high calorie, sweet and high carbohydrate food is what we are taking in, isn't it? So the main problem in cities is decay. कीड़ा लग रहा है दांतों में, डीकेज कीड़ा लग रहा है दांतों में. While if you go in rural areas, the problem is not that. The problem, because they are eating bhakri and all high fiber food.
Yes.
That is not the problem. There is something different. They have gum issues more. So depending on that, so your toothpastes also vary. Okay. So your dentist will identify that and will prescribe you accordingly. Amount of toothpaste to be used. If you see commercials, okay, ऐसे पूरा brush भर के paste देते, they want to sell it.
Yeah.
They want to sell it, right? But a pea-sized toothpaste is more than enough. Try it out. Okay, kitchen में इतना ही paste use करूँगी. It is not. It is enough. It is more than enough to use that amount of toothpaste. Okay. Then I would like to tell you कि decay. When your teeth starts decaying, immediately identify it and get it filled. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, stitch-in time saves 9. Yes. Okay. It saves you after the decay goes from the enamel to the dentine to the inner nerve of the tooth. See, these are the 3 layers. Okay. Then you go for treatments like root canal and capping and all that. Okay. So till the decay is owned, and the problem with dental decay or caries is till it is in the enamel or dentine, probably it's not going to hurt you. तुम बोलोगे कि अरे मैं डेंटिस्ट के पास जाता हूँ दर्द लेके, तो रूट कनाल ही बोलता है, क्योंकि तुम वो स्टेज पे आते हो. स्टेज पे आते हो जब वो एनामल और इसमें होता है, तो you can save it. So please identify the problem there itself. That was. Then there are a few things like non-healing ulcers. Okay. As in if you have a habit of tobacco, gutka, pan. Okay. This has been a real concern. What happens? There are ulcers which come, go, come. Okay. And or they are not healing completely. Okay. This is truly a sign of alarm. Please get them checked. Okay. And if you have a habit of whatever I mentioned, right? Gutka, pan, tambaku, you'll have to get them checked. So this is what I can recollect, these are the chief problems which patients come with.
Guys, whoever are watching, please keep this in mind, and very important points, basic points है, basic चीजें हैं, ये मोटो ही है हमारा कि आप तक ये चीजें basic चीजें पहुंचाएं, and please keep this in check and go to your dentist. ये सारे technologies और सारे doctors are there to help us all out, और technologies ये हमारे लिए है, पहले ये सब नहीं था. So take advantage of all these facilities and love your body, love yourself. I think it is a great boon to us as humankind.
I would like to add this point when you said ki, I would just like to share ki, please, there was a time when people used to be scared of dentists, like, dentist is equal to pain. See, this is the equation that they used to have. But please, I think times have changed. Everything has changed. You have got so many improvements made, so many new advances where dental treatment is practically painless now. So like we have kids now. My youngest kid, which I treated, was 2 years old. So you would see, like right from a 2-year-old, right from a 2-year-old to a 95-year-old we have treated, and it is like we have advanced a lot. So please don't fear dentists. Sometimes when someone tells me, so like I ask them, do you really feel we come with those saying haath mein aise kuch liye, they have this picture of a dentist, Daravna dentist. No, dentists are no more Daravna, please.
Please visit your dentist, nearby dentist, and definitely it's a boon. I agree to that. So thank you, Dr. Shilpa, for shedding light on such an important topic and important aspect of our life that we use every single day and time. So thank you for that. And now let's move on to the fun segment. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So first question for this fun segment, Dr. Shilpa, will be, which is the perfect 10 celebrity? Like, which is the favorite celebrity that you like?
Madhuri Dixit, always.
Okay. Yeah, she is perfect and she is a $1,000,000 smile. And guys, अगर आपने मेरा वो vlog नहीं देखा है तो please देखो. I have sketched Madhuri Dixit ने, so please
Yes.
वो देखिए आप. Okay, the next question will be, which fictional character will you want to meet in real life or you would want to portray as one?
Wonder Woman.
Yeah, oh yeah, she is too good. You would want to meet or portray?
Both.
Both. Okay, good. Yeah, good.
And as you said, it's really fictional, you know.
Yeah, yeah, but it's a very strong character. Yes.
Yeah, very strong character. Yeah.
Oh, okay, the next question will be, which is the biggest screw up in the kitchen that you have done?
You know what? As I started cooking, I think when you get married and you start cooking, you start with screw ups only. Because you're not used to working in the kitchen. So I remember ki Marathi Puran Poli. I think it is one of the toughest dish to make. त्या मैद्याच्या पुरणपोळ्या, एवढासा मैदा, लिटिल बिट, इतना सा मैदा लेना है और इतना सारा पुरण लेना है, उसमें डालना है.
Yeah.
तो मैंने कभी बनाया नहीं था. शादी के बाद पता चला कि हस्बैंड की फेवरेट डिश पुरणपोली है. तो चलो ट्राई करते हैं. तो शादी के बाद क्या होता है ना, फिर मम्मी को फोन लगाओ, अरे ये कैसे बनाते हैं, फिर उसकी रेसिपी लो. अभी these tough traditional dishes, you know, you can learn only with experience.
Yes.
बाकी सब तुम ना यूट्यूब पे देख के सीख सकते हो शायद, लेकिन ये जो ट्रेडिशनल डिशेस है मुझे लगता है जरा मुश्किल चीजें हैं. सो आई ट्राइड टू मेक पुरणपोली एंड वो जो चना दाल थी, आई हैड बेसिकली हमको ज्यादा लगती नहीं थी, तो मैंने थोड़ी रोस्ट करके रखी थी, विच आई फॉरगॉट कि इसको ये रोस्टेड है. इसलिए जब वो फाइनल पूरन बन के वो पूरन पोली बनी ना, तो वो पोली कम और पापड़ ज्यादा बनी.
राइट.
चना दाल मैंने रोस्ट करके रखी थी कुछ दिनों पहले, मैं भूल गई थी. और ये as a new cook, no, you don't feel कि all these things are important. तो क्या हुआ, चना दाल तो है, ऐसे लगा. तो that was the biggest screw up and I was like, my God, ये क्या बन रहा है, you know, it was like that. But अभी बना.
Okay. Funny. Yeah. Okay, the next question will be, which is that one thing that gave you adrenaline rush ever, if you have tried something?
Whenever I try anything new, I have adrenaline rush. Okay, I've observed that कि जब भी कुछ नया चीज करने निकलती हूँ तो बस हो शुरू हो जाता है, you know, adrenaline is just rushing through me. But I'm a adventure lover थोड़ा बहुत. तो स्कूबा डाइविंग किया था, या फिर जब हम लोगों ने स्कूबा डाइविंग किया था, स्नॉर्कलिंग किया था, तभी एक बार हुआ था कि अरे मजा आ रहा था. बाकी तो पैरासेलिंग, पैराग्लाइडिंग सब करते, तभी तो थोड़ा बहुत एड्रेनलिन रश. हाँ. एंड व्हाइट हॉर्स रैफ्टिंग, that also gives a very good adrenaline rush.
Which one?
Rafting, river rafting.
Yes.
River rafting. Yes. So at the end of, when you finish with the river rafting and you end it, ऐसी नदी बह रही है and they ask you to jump. That is the last part of it.
Yes.
And उन्होंने बोला jump. I said क्या? Really jump? And वो से भगवान का नाम लेके we jumped, you know. But yeah, that was one time. Yeah. When I had to. But there are few more things I would like to attempt, like skydiving and all. I think that will give me the most adrenaline rush. Yeah. That's one thing I want to try.
Yeah. Same here. But it's the bravest thing, I think, that anybody would do.
Yeah. You do, no?
Okay. The next thing.
वो ऐड होती है ना, गला सबका सूखता है. हाँ. Basically, everyone is scared, but you know, yeah, करना है. It's like that.
डर के आगे जीत है. Yes.
True.
Okay. The next question would be one song or any quote that defines you and the way you live your life.
I like this song, you know, if you know this song. एक दिन बिक जाएगा माटी के मोल, जग में रह जाएंगे प्यारे तेरे बोल.
Oh,
दूजे के होठों को कर अपने गीत कोई निशानी छोड़ फिर दुनिया से.
I got goosebumps.
I think, yeah. Okay, so I think this is the song I love this song, and I feel ki, yeah, it really explains how you should live.
Yeah, I agree completely. Completely. Very, very nice song. So my next question would be, Doctor, which is that one place which is not so famous, but it is very beautiful and you would like to suggest to our viewers?
See, two places which I've visited. One is Leh Ladakh and Uttarakhand.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yes.
But apart from this, in Uttarakhand, see, Uttarakhand has basically Kumaon and Gadhwal. These are the two regions of Uttarakhand. So in Gadhwal region near Lansdowne, there is a temple, Tarkeshwar temple. Okay. It's the journey towards the Tarkeshwar temple is also unique. I have a friend who's from Gadhwal, so he had given me these small places named.
Mhm.
This place is so scenic and beautiful.
Okay.
It's absolutely and so calm. It's all full of Devdar trees, huge Devdar trees. And like if anyone goes to Uttarakhand and specifically if someone is near Lansdowne and all, please do visit this Tarkeshwar temple. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. I mean, as I tell you, it's just, I would dream to go there,
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Oh,
Yeah.
Definitely. Someday I'll plan to go. But thank you for suggesting this place.
And not many people visit that place because it's not known. It's see, there are some places which are tourist spots and some which are so beautiful, and probably they are beautiful because they are not tourist spots.
Yes, I agree. Correct. So thank you for suggesting this, doctor. Definitely. तो जो भी है, जो travelers है, जिनको पसंद है, please जाइए इस जगह पे. Yes. Okay. Doctor, what is your style statement? Like, which is that one thing that you don't step out of the house without? What is a style statement?
If you say style statement, actually, I love saris. Okay, but I can't do that. I can't do that because of the profession. Okay, now though we are wearing PPE, so it's just next to impossible wearing saris and moving out.
Yeah.
It is like that. Yeah. Then rings, my rings.
Yes.
I love rings. So rings are the ones I don't step out without.
Oh, so saris and rings. That is what is your style statement.
My favorite.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. So my next question will be, you have to spell one word backward. Okay. मैं आपको एक question पूछूंगी, एक word दूंगी आपको, छोटा ही word है, आपको वो backward बोलना है. Okay. The word is sketch.
So the answer is HCTEKS.
Perfect. Yes. Good. Thank you. And next question will be, who is the messiest person you know in your life?
For every mother, it's her kids, I feel.
Okay.
I don't know about you. Your young one is really young.
Yeah.
But with teenage kids, I think with every mother, it is their kids. Oh God.
Okay.
It's fun, but yeah.
Yeah. What food you have not eaten, but you really would like to try? Any cuisine, any food?
I always like to try traditional dishes.
Oh.
So regional dishes, basically. So wherever I go, I cannot name you, okay, this, but whenever I go to a new place, if I go to Rajasthan, if I go to Himachal, whatever, I always ask them, what is the local dish which is famous? I would like to taste it. Oh. So I always like tasting the regional cuisine, basically.
Yes, that's good answer. And my last question for this fun segment would be, which is that one celebrity that you would want me to sketch in my upcoming vlogs?
See, now since you have already sketched Madhuri Dixit, now maybe it's Hrithik Roshan.
Okay, sure. Okay, sure. I will sketch Hrithik Roshan for sure. In my previous vlog, viewers, अगर आपने देखा रहेगा तो मुझे ये request और एक आई है ऋतिक रोशन को sketch करने की. So yes, that's the hot favorite, I think. So definitely I will sketch Hrithik Roshan. And Dr. Shilpa, thank you so much for this lovely segment, lovely vlog, lovely insights on the dentist expertise that you have. So thank you so much. And please, everybody, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you like this vlog.
Thank you. Thank you, Neha, for giving me this platform and giving me this chance to speak. Thanks a lot.
Yes. And see you in the next vlogs, guys. Thank you so much.